Everybody, I just wanted to do a quick video about the different kinds of stones that I include in my Flint Striker kits. So if you come in close here, you can see I've got a couple of different things going. So thus far I have not had to get any, spark rock material from out of state, with the exception of that I do have some friends who are flint knappers, and I occasionally get some of their spall. So this piece of chert is from one of them. But other things, these other four rocks were all found locally or semi-locally. This is a piece of jasper from Machiasport. This is a piece of chert which I think came out of a river. I'm sorry, not chert. This is actually rhyolite. This is our local Topsom quartzite, and then this is actually a piece of probably English flint, which was found on a beach in Massachusetts. The reason this shows up here is because they used to ballast ships with it, and this is a really great material to make sparks with. So if you order one of the kits, there's a chance that you will get one or a few flakes of several of these different kinds of stones, but they all should work reasonably well. The important thing is that they're all kind of above about 7 on the Mohs scale, but just to show you, the trick is find a good sharp edge. The flint works really nice. Jasper works fine. Rhyolite is maybe a little tougher, but just get a good sharp edge, you still get some nice sparks. And interestingly enough, I was surprised that the quartz works as well as it does, but it's great. And then this is the same little piece of chert that I used in my last video. So those all will yield a nice spark, and it's kind of a fun thing if you're out camping or if you're out on a beach or somewhere near a river. Keep your eyes peeled, you might find something else to use. Cheers.